Friends and family mourn after a 19-year-old who shared her unusual career on TikTok took her own life. Caitlin Lone gave her followers glimpses into her life as a fourth-generation farmer and used social media to promote women in agriculture.
Farming has been in my family for generations and generations, and it's not only that I'm meant to be here, but I really want to be here.
Katie worked as the livestock manager on her family's property in Tasmania. She advocated for the humane treatment of animals.
Can I have consent to give you an ear piercing?
Yes.
Tell me, mate, did that hurt?
And highlighted the benefits of farm fresh produce.
Bought this bad boy from the supermarket. Grew this one myself.
Katie's father, Philip Lone, told Mercury, "She was a lovely, crazy young woman who was an invaluable member of our family." Caitlin Lone was 19 years old. This is Inside Edition Digital.